How to dropship from Alibaba to Shopify. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can dropship from Alibaba to Shopify. So let's get started. So here you can see the Alibaba interface. Here are a lot of products are available. You can see that. Here you can see some products, for example, this ring here, you can just check it out. So there's a ring here, you can see it. So now let's go head over to Shopify and let me show you how you can drop ship it. So first of all, you have to head over to Shopify and you have to go to apps, then tap onto apps and sales settings. Then here you can see this Shopify app store at the top right corner. Just tap onto Shopify app store. After clicking onto Shopify app store, simply at the search bar search for Alibaba, then you will get a lot of drop shipping websites. So for example of this video, I'm gonna tap onto this one, dropship man. There are also other Importify, AliExpress to Alibaba, etc. available. You can just choose them. Okay, now for example here, this one pre-plan available. You can also use this one. Just tap onto install and then complete installation of it, and then you just have to install it. So just install it from here. Okay, let me show you with this one, because this one is more famous. Just tap onto it and then you can just tap on continue on Ali drop. Let me also install this one, and here you can see this ones, this pricing here. You can just buy it and get started. For now I'm gonna cancel it up and then I'm gonna install Dropshipman, this app right here. Just gonna download it, and here you can see this Dropshipman interface. So from here you can choose a plan to start. If you want to buy a plan, you can just buy this ones if you wish to. As you can see, this 70 free trial, we can just buy one and you can get started. So let's start with this $0 one and let's see how it goes. You can just tap on to approve, and there we go. So let me show you how it works. So now we can add extra $200 extra benefits from activating it. If you wish to, you can just activate it, but for now I'm gonna skip this part. Now let's say you want to find products. Here you can see this option, find trending products to sell. Just simply tap on to find product. So here you can select your preferred categories for recommendations. If you wish to, you can just choose some preferred categories from here. For example, there are bag and shoes, jewelry and watches, computer and office, but for now I'm going to skip this part and I'm going to find a product from here. So you can just find a product right from here if you wish to. Let's find a product. You can also find the products in Dropshipment from here. For example, I'm going to search for t-shirt, and then you can search it up for, this is exactly like, you can say it is like Alibaba or AliExpress, you can, or Amazon, you can say. You can these are simply like that. You can just choose them. You can tap on this add to product list and etc. For example, this one, you can just tap onto them and then you can tap on this option, add to product list. So after clicking on this option, there you go. You can see that here on the product center my product has been added. You can just list product it now and then you can confirm it and it will be published to our store very easily. So let's wait until it loads and then let's check it out. You can go to product section and from the products you can see these products are activated on our list. So now say you can add product organization. You can change the price of it from here. So for example, I'm gonna change it to 2000 and then I'm gonna change it this one to 2000 also, and I'm gonna enter. You can enter videos if you wish to. You can do it if you want by going to videos. You can add or import videos from here and then save it up. You can add some extra data from here. You can select categories from here of the product if you wish to. Then here you can tap onto the view all. Then here you can see You can add custom product ads and etc. Let me go to apps, and then let's head over to dropshipment again and let it load. Here you can check out your product center, your order fulfillment from here. You can check your product dropshipment credits according to your need, your points, etc. You can find product here, and you can also select pricings from here. So you can check out their plans, also custom services from here. You can check out the plus plan, which is $79.09 per month, and this all other things. Let's go to products center. Here you can check out your listed products, and if you want to unlist it, then just tap onto it, or you can just tap onto it on the Shopify options. Then you can just unshare it or unlist it. If you want, just go to product and then tap onto this option. Here you can just let me show you. Just tap onto this I button here, and you can edit them. Here you can see your active products from here, and etc. You can add your custom details here, your online stores, and if you want to manage it, just tap onto it, and then you can just tap onto the one that you can choose, and done. Here, so that was pretty much it about dropshipment. This is how you can do it. You can also add more products if you want. Just tap onto the product that you want to add, for example these ones, or these glasses, or this one, women's fashion personality or fashion handbag, for example this one. Then you can just tap on to add to product list, and then you can add it to product lists from here. And if you want to add reviews, then you have to choose a product with which has reviews. So tap on to add to product list, and then you can see this has been added successfully. Now let's head over to products, and then our product should be here. Let's load this page. Let's go to online store from here, and here you can see products are being updated. So that was pretty much it about this dropshipment, like how we can import products and start selling on Shopify. So if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, and let me know in the comment section that what type of video you want to see in the future. You can check here from, you can add products according to your needs and need. Here you can check all of these things out. So just play around with dropshipment, and you will get to know more custom features of it, and you can use it. And if you want to use it for a long time, then I would suggest you to buy the premium version of dropshipment, because it will be really helpful. So that was pretty much it. So you can check your AI product, you can optimize them, and you can use AI to dropship to make your process easier. Okay, that's it. Till then, take care, goodbye. See you on another video.